What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, the day before Wekfest San Jose 2021, and we're here setting up inside the convention center at San Jose. Now, this video is not going to be too long. I just wanted to show you a couple of the cars that are set up here. We got Inspire right over here. We have Speed Element on this side. We got Endless Projects over there. Now, like I said, I don't want to show too much of the show. If you want to check out the show, come tomorrow. But I actually wanted to talk about some do's and don'ts, some car show etiquette before you actually come here. With that said, this car show is a pretty big car show. It's like the best car show in Northern California. If you have a good car or if you have a pretty sick build, you're gonna be here. But, you know, it's still COVID, so mask up and give people their 6 feet distance, you know, in between you and other cars. But this car show is actually the most congested car show in Northern California. With that said, it is pretty Let me walk away from this. What's another good one? Support local businesses. So you're gonna see a lot of these tents right here, and each tent is gonna be promoting their own company, like say Inspire. We do a lot of merchandise. We sell shirts, sweaters, stickers, all the small things that you can get to support all the car scene stuff here. So walk around, check out all the booths, and see what they're selling. I guess this one here, Asians Never Die, they're selling license plate frames. That's pretty cool. So yeah, support local businesses, because most of these people come from Northern California. Oh, another don't thing to do, bad thing to do, is try and walk through the cars like this. Don't walk through the cars. Wekfest, the people at Wekfest usually set up the cars like this right here. The reason why is because like it makes it easier for you just to walk down, view whatever car you're looking at, so you don't have any business walking through cars and having the liability of scratching up or potentially breaking a car part on like one of these canards. Don't do that. Don't be that person that walks through these cars. That's not a good thing to do. Let's see. So Drew usually takes off his hood and he puts it in between these cars over here. So if you're walking in between these cars, you might actually step on a part. That's why I said the liability of walking through like that. Liability of walking through cars is high, and you don't want to be the person that's held responsible for ruining a part. That's why you don't do that. If you're going to be looking at an interior like this, and you want to check out what they have as far as the interior setup, you know, it's probably not a good idea to stick your head into it. You can ask the owner if they're in the area, but the last thing someone wants is some stranger to look inside of a car like this and really, like, you know, get up in their area. I know the guy who owns both these cars, so I should be fine. But you know, it is still COVID, so please respect people's boundaries, you know. What's another thing? If you plan on modeling with a car, right, please don't touch the car, don't sit on the car, just stand next to it. And if you do want to actually get a little closer, maybe ask the owner if they're in the area. Don't make the assumption that you can just sit on a car and take a photo of it with it. That's the most horrible thing you can do, because like I said, cars like this are kind of irreplaceable. So, you know, you ruin their part, you're gonna be held responsible to pay for it, and you don't want that. What's another good thing? Lastly, enjoy Wekfest. This is a car show for all of the enthusiasts. So if you're here, you're supporting Northern California, pretty much the California car scene. People also come out of state just to come to this specific car show. So yeah, support the people, what they've done, appreciate how they build their cars, and you know, just enjoy the culture, because this is a totally different culture from how things used to be. So yeah, anyways, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. If not, then stay tuned for the next video.